Hi, I am Praveen Kishore, Faculty Sociology. Today I am discussing another question that came in the Indian Society chapter GS paper 1 in 2022. Sorry. This a model answer has been written. What is the question? Analyze the salience of sect in Indian society vis-a-vis caste, reason and religion. Means you had to relate the sects in India with caste system, with regions and with specific religion. Right? Since we are doing this video on the previous year Indian society questions, so there are number of questions that is to come in the future. So I would like you to like and subscribe this particular channel so that you remain informed of any new video arrival, right? If you want to answer this question properly, the first thing that we need to know is about sect. What is a sect? Right? If you see sects, what happens? It is a breakaway group of an existing religion. Right? For example, if you see in the Western perspective, you will find Methodist, Pietism, etc. as the sects, Calvinism. So they are breakaway group. Why they break away? Because they are not satisfied with the certain principles, interpretations and institutional authority of the society. So what is this? It is a protest ideology which challenges certain interpretations, practices and institutional authority of parent religion, or you can say mother religion, right? Sects of Hinduism would be challenging certain interpretation, practice and institutional authority of Hinduism, right? But they don't challenge the core principles, right? So what in technically it is said that sect is a subculture, it is not a contra-culture, but that is for specifically students of sociology. You may use it, you may not use it, right? Now, these challenges, it is not due to any external impact, though it is very difficult to say a purely endogenous source of change or purely exogenous source of change, but inclination is towards endogenous source of change, that is change from within, right? So this is what is, it's a breakaway group. Why groups break away? Because it protests certain interpretation, practices and institutional authority of a religion, right? It does not challenge the core principle, right? And challenge comes from within. It is endogenous, not exogenous. Endogenous means from within, exogenous means external factors. Now we talk about the religious composition of India, right? We have almost all the major religions of the world. For example, Hinduism is there, Islam is there, Christianity is there, Buddhism is there, Jainism is there, Zoroastrianism is there, Sikhism is there. There are a small number of Jews also. You might have heard recently that around 500 Jews from northeast tribes, Jewish tribe, they have been settled in Israel. Recently, just this year itself, it has occurred. And then there are other minor religious groups like Baha'ism, right? Some tribal religions are there, etc., etc. So it's a mosaic of different religions, right? Now we'll be discussing the sects of major religions like Hinduism, Islam, then we have Sikhism, right? Three major religions whose sects are there. We'll talk about that. Now, as far as Hinduism is concerned, the sects have originated on the basis of two criteria. First is, who is the supreme god? Whether it is Shankar or Shiva, whether it is Vishnu, whether it is mother goddesses, etc., etc. So sects have emerged on the basis of the perception who is the supreme god. And second, sect has emerged by challenging the caste discrimination, the upper caste domination, the practice of untouchability, right? So this is another reason. So there are two criteria on basis of which the sects among Hinduism have emerged. Now, if you look at the supremacy of God, right, then we have around 5 sects, right? First is Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism means supremacy of Vishnu, God Vishnu, and his avatars or incarnations are Ram and Krishna. Right? So Vishnu is considered as the supreme god. So when you talk about the sects vis-a-vis caste, religion and reason, so here what we are finding here, this sect vis-a-vis religion, right? Now what you find that this particular sect have largest followers in India, and the followers are found across India, particularly in northwest and south, right? So this is regional affiliation. This is regional affiliation, right? That since large number of followers are there spread across all over the India, so they are there in northwest and southern India. Second is Saivism, right? Saivism, supreme god is considered as Shiva, right? It is the second largest, it has second largest followers, and their primary reason is Kashmir, South India, Iyengar Brahmins of Tamil Nadu. They are followers of this sect and some other parts. So here also what we are doing, we are linking the sect with a particular reason. Now there is another subtype of Saivism that is called as Veer Saivism, right? Here also supreme god is considered as Shiva. They worship Linga, as you know. Now followers are known as Lingayats. You might have heard in Karnataka, two major political communities, dominant political communities are there. One is Okkaliga and another is Lingayats. So these Lingayats are the people who consider supremacy of God Shiva in Linga form, right? They are the followers of the 12th century reformer Basavana, right? And what do? They reject caste. So here there is a relationship with the caste system, Vedas and temple worship, right? So these are three, two more is to come among the Hindus. One is called Shaktism. As you all know, Shakti means power. So worship of power, and generally what we find that power is about two mother goddesses in India, right? You might be knowing, and you must be knowing that Durga and Kali are the two gods who are considered as the repository of power, and they use their power against the evils or evilest force of the society, right? So Shaktism is that, and particularly what you will find here, How do you explain? Shaktism is related with religion of Hinduism, and it is linked with this region, right? Assam, Bengal, and certain part of Northeast India. Then there is a fifth one that is known as Smartism. Smartism, it is based on the different philosophy of Vedantic Hinduism, right? There are different philosophy, three major philosophy are there. One is known as Advait, second is known as Dvait, and third is known as qualified Advait. Anyway, we don't have to go into detail of that. What we see, Smartism are those people who are the followers of Adi Sankaracharya, who believed in Advait philosophy. Advait philosophy means they do not consider Vishnu, Brahma, Mahesh, Ganesh, Kali, Durga, etc. as different god. They are the reflection of a single entity called Brahman, right? So these are the five, right? And they are found across the whole India. So five sects of Hinduism based on two criteria. One criteria is supremacy of God, and second is caste system. So one we talked about rejected caste system, that is by Lingayats, right? Now we go to exclusively another basis of emergence of caste, that is challenging the caste system, its discriminatory attitude, its concept of purity and pollution, right? Its practice of untouchability, etc. And this is Ravidasis. This is Ravidasis. Ravidas was a 12th century reformer who was born in Varanasi, right? And their followers are known as Ravidasis. Now, this particular sect emerged among Chamars of Doab region of Punjab, but they are found also in the Uttar Pradesh, right? So here you find this is an example of all the three things. First, religion that is related to Hinduism. Second, caste system. It emerged by challenging the discriminatory caste system. And third, they are spread in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, right? Uttar Pradesh. So this is reason. This is caste, religion, caste, and this is reason, right? So these are the five major sects of Hinduism. This was a 15 marks question that you had to write in 250 words. Now we come to the sects in Islam. Sects among Muslims of India. We all know that there are two major divisions of followers of Islam. One is Sunni, another is Shia. Shia has been in news recently because Iran is dominated by the Shia community, right? And America-Iran war is going on, ceasefire is there, but Cold War is still going on. So Sunni, they constitute 2/3 of the Indian Muslims. Sunnis, they consist of 2/3 of Indian Muslims, and Shias are relative minority. Now, what are the sects of Sunnis? What are the sects of Sunnis? There are 5 sects of Sunnis in India. There are others also, but these are the important. Hanafi, they are found in north, central and eastern India. Barelvi, from Bareilly to Barelvi, they are found in throughout India. Deobandi, right, especially they are found in Uttar Pradesh. Salafi, they are mainly Kerala and coastal Karnataka, and Safi, coastal region of South India. So these are the different sects, right? If you see this, Barelvi in the name of a place, Deoband also a school of thought, right? So these are the 5 sects of Sunni spread on the different parts of India. Now, as far as Shias are concerned, there are 2 major sects of Shias in India. One is known as Dawoodi and second is Khozas, and both are found in Mumbai and Gujarat. So they are confined to a small region of India, that is Western India, that is Gujarat and Maharashtra. Then we have another religion, that is Sikhism, and all these are found in Punjab. So they are related. Ascetic Udasis, ascetic means saint, those who have renounced this world, right? They don't have any material aspirations, that is called as ascetic. Nirankaris are there who are reform oriented. Nirmals are there who want to preserve their tradition, and Nihang are highly disciplined. So these are the 4 sects, right? All of them are found in Punjab, but 6 are found in different parts of India. So a few of each sect are found in different parts of India. Now then we talk about Buddhism and Jainism. Buddhism is divided into 2 major, Mahayana and Hinayan, and Jainism, Shwetambar and Digambar. You just cannot affiliate them with any specific region of India, right? So these are the salience of sect vis-a-vis religion, reason and caste, right? These were the explanation of PowerPoint presentation of this answer. Now, if you want to have the script, join this Telegram channel. The model answer exactly how it has to be written in the examination, that is uploaded on this Telegram channel. You can also follow Nice IS YouTube channel, and on that Nice IS YouTube channel we have also these answers script exactly in the model form, right? So with this we have concluded the discussion on this question 18, question number 18, 2022 GS paper 1 on Indian society. I am Praveen Kishore, faculty sociology. We are conducting classes on sociology optional, right? Nice IS in collaboration with IS Delhi Institute, situated in ORN, right? Old Rajendra Nagar, near Karol Bagh Metro Station, Delhi, right? Thank you.